Assalamu alaikum. I am Sharif Ikram Yamani and you are watching Real English News. Today's headlines. Holi celebration held across the city on Monday. Whole city displayed reflection of the Ganga Jamuna culture. Seema Andhra leaders taking a bus yatra to campaign for the Congress party. Cash seized in different incidents during the police checking in view of the elections. And Secunderabad MP's son attacked a home guard case registered at the Hussaini Alam police station. Now headlines in details. Holi, the festival of love, colors and affection, celebrated with great pomp and show across the Twin Cities. Here's a special report by Ruby Channel's reporters. Holi, the festival of color, was celebrated today with great pomp and show. The festival generated a great level of excitement and enthusiasm all across the country. The old city of Hyderabad also saw this festival being celebrated by all sections of the society. A belief of shops, stalls selling colors could be seen from Puranapul to Begum Bazaar. The people were also seen buying sweets on this occasion. People were seen applying colors on each other's faces at various points in the city. It was a great reflection of the famous Ganga Jamuna culture that exists in the city. People from different communities were seen greetings. Hindus who celebrated Holi this year, Holi was a true reflection of the brotherhood and unity, the Ganga Jamuna culture that exists in the city. At a time when many senior Congress leaders are shifting loyalties from the Congress party to the other parties, especially the leaders from the Seema Andhra region. While some leaders are doing this, other leaders are turning the region in the form of a bus yatra. Congress prominent leader from the Seema Andhra region, including the Union Minister Mr. Chiranjeevi and Narayana Raghuvir Reddy and others, are touring the region of Seema Andhra and trying to win the backs vote for the Congress party. The leaders are touring the region in the form of bus yatra. The aim of touring is at least 2 districts in one day through this yatra. The recent bifurcation of the state of AP has made the Congress position in the Seema Andhra region a little weak. Analysts have predicted this is being seen as a cost attempt to win back the votes for the Congress party before all the important parliament assembly elections in the country.
21 నుంచి 27 వరకు శ్రీకాకుళం మొదలుకొని అనంతపురం వరకు ప్రతిరోజు 2 జిల్లాల చొప్పున కార్యకర్తల్ని ఉద్దేశించి కార్యకర్త సమావేశాలు నిర్వహించుకుంటాం. ఇందులో కార్యకర్తలు ఉండే కొంచెం వాళ్ళ స్తబ్దతని గ్యాలరీ చేయడం కోసంగా వాళ్ళ ఉత్సాహం నింపడం కోసంగా ఈ రోజున కాంగ్రెస్ తీసుకునే నిర్ణయానికి వెనకాల ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి, ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు, దీనివల్ల మనకి లాభాలు ఏమిటనే విషయం మీద వాళ్ళకి నిజానిజాలు తెలియజెప్పడం ప్రధానం.
Bharatiya Janata Party assures the people of the state of solving their problems if voted to power. Senior BJP functionary Venkata Naidu has accused the Congress of not respecting the emotions of the Telugu people. He made a sarcastic comment on the PM, Mr. Singh, saying that he was a person with high stature but launched the know-how of politics. He assured the people that the only BJP could help in the rivals of the 2 states of AP and Telangana if voted to the powers. He assured the Congress leaders of misleading the people to get back into their position. Again, he also promised to work in solving the problem of all people, including the tribals and the minorities. He also was confident of a complete Congress wipe out from the state and the center during the upcoming elections.
కొన్ని విషయాన్ని అందరూ గుర్తించాలని చెప్పి మీ అందరికి మనవి చేస్తూ, ఈ పవర్ ఎప్పుడు శాశ్వతంగా ఉండదు. దాని కింద చూసాం మనం, పోయింది మధ్యలో, ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో ఎప్పుడు పోతుందో తెలియదు ఎవరికి. అందుకని ఉన్నప్పుడే కొన్ని మంచి పనులు చేస్తే చరిత్ర వాళ్ళని గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటుంది. అంతేగాని పవర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అంతా విర్రవీగిపోయి అంతా మా చేతిలోనే అధికారం ఉందనుకుంటే ఆ తర్వాత పవర్ ఎప్పుడైనా పోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మీటింగ్లోనే చూసాం మనం, పవర్ పోయింది. కాబట్టి పవర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్మనెంట్. నేమ్ అండ్ ఫేమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ దే ఆర్ పర్మనెంట్. దాని దృష్టి పెట్టుకొని పనిచేసే వాళ్ళని ఎవరితో ప్రోత్సహించాల్సి మనం కోరుతూ, నన్ను ఈరోజు ఛాంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామర్స్ ఇక్కడ పిలిచి కొన్ని విషయాలు మీ ముందు చెప్పేటికి అవకాశం కల్పించినట్టు ఇక ఛాంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామర్స్ అధినాయకత్వానికి అందరూ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎవరైనా సరే ఈ మైక్ కిందకు పంపిస్తాం, ఎవరైనా సూచనలు ఉంటే ఆ సూచన మీ పేరు చెప్పి మీరు చెప్పదలుచుకున్న సూచన ఏంది అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
TRS leaders and Narasimha, talking to the Ruby Channel reporter Anjum in an interview, told that the TRS would make sure that the Muslim rights are protected in the Telangana state. And Narasimha, in an exclusive interview to the Ruby Channel reporter Asim Anjum, told that since decades the minorities of the state, especially the Muslims, were being treated unfairly. He also spoke the many sacrifices made by the Muslim, including the life they laid down by the Muslims in the cause of Telangana. Mr. Narasimha also accused the Congress and the TDP of having used the Muslim as a vote bank. He wanted to reach out the Muslims of the state through Ruby Channel as his message that the promise of reservation for Muslims and other minorities would be fulfilled in the new state of Telangana. Whereas Mr. Narasimha also appealed to the people through your channel to strengthen the TRS and make sure that the party wins all the ensuing elections.
म्यूनसिपालिटीज में तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति स्वीप करेगा। पूरा तेलंगाना में हर म्यूनसिपालिटी हम हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पूरा पुरजोर कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जीत जाएगा। हम बिग मेजॉरिटी से TRS जीत जाएगा।
एंड अबाउट जिला परिषद
अभी नॉमिनेशन से नहीं हुआ, आज से शुरू हुआ। उसके बाद देखा जाएगा, वो भी जीत जाएंगे हम लोग। तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति ZPC MPTC भी जीत जाएगा। अच्छा बात।
The police checking has seen an increase in view of the election across the state of AP. In one incident during a checking taking place at Vijayawada's Kalapallam checkpost, the police seized rupees 7 lakh cash from a car and took the driver into custody. Whereas another incident during a checking at Kadappa's Kushiyapuram checkpost, the police recorded rupees 20 lakh cash which was being transported in a bus. The police registered a case and under investigating. Secunderabad MP Anjan Kumar Yadav's sons attacked a home guard along with his companion, injuring him seriously. According to details, the holy celebration were going on in the Dudboli area, where the traffic was halted for some time. At the same situation, a home guard and a constable associated with the Hussaini Alam police station came to manage the traffic. And the home guard asked the Secunderabad MP Mr. Anjan Kumar's son Arvind Kumar and his companion to move aside from the middle of the road. Responding to this, the group got angry and the home guard was attacked. The Hussaini Alam police have registered a case against Mr. Arvind Kumar Yadav and his companion following the attack. Let's have a report on today's sports news. Virat Kohli is one batsman who will break the record in international cricket. Former Pakistan captain Abbas said, "Cricket to set a more attractive," says S. Kannan. Bangladesh seek reference against Afghanistan in World T20 opener. Leg spinner Rahul Sharma excited to be a part of Delhi Daredevils. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rate. For 10 grams, rupees 28,430. For 22 carats, for 10 grams, rupees 30,360 for 24 carats. Whereas silver rates, 10 grams, rupees 47,000.64 as per bar piece 1 kilo. Let's have a look on today's share market. Sensex 21,809.80 increases, whereas Nifty 6,504.20 increases with 0.17%. Weather forecast for 6 districts for Andhra. Weather forecast for 6 districts of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Anantapur 22 degrees Celsius minimum and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar, minimum 23 degrees Celsius and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Khammam 24 degrees Celsius, maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Rajahmundry, minimum 24 degrees Celsius and max 37 degrees. whereas Zahirabad stands as 22 degrees Celsius minimum and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Let's have headlines once again. Holi celebration held across the city on Monday. Whole city displayed reflection of the Ganga Jamuna culture. Seema Andhra leaders taking a bus yatra to campaign for the Congress party. Cash seized in different incidents during the police checking in view of the elections. And Secunderabad MP's son attack a home guard case registered at the Hosseini Alam police station. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.